Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make your stick-on manicure last longer than just 7 days and even up to 3 weeks. Okay, it's just a few easy steps that you want to do before you put your stick-on nails, and I love this type of manicure because I do it myself all the time. It's the cheapest way to get nails that look nice and cute. There's so many fun different styles, and this set I actually only bought for $1.50. So that goes to show you that you can save a lot of money doing your nails this way. So let's get started.
So the first thing that you're going to want to do is obviously take off your old nail polish. My nails look awful, and I just have regular white nail polish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of this alcohol nail polish remover and obviously clean up my nails, make sure all the nail polish is off. I just have never been one that goes to the salon very often, so doing my own nails at home is just something I really enjoy. Also, you know, it's quarantine still. We're here in California and we are still on lockdown procedures, so salons and stuff like that are still not open here. So anyways, if you're in one of the states that still are under lockdowns, you can do this at home. Just go to Walmart, buy a pair of fake nails, and it's going to be quick and easy. So once you're done cleaning everything off, what you're going to want to do is just get a little bowl of hot water and soak your hands for a few minutes just to get your cuticles softened. Then I have a cuticle scraper. I'm just going around my nails, cleaning them up, making sure that all the dead skin is off. I haven't done this in a while, to be honest. I didn't really do it the last time I painted my nails, so I actually have like a lot of dead skin around my nails, so it kind of took me a little bit longer. But I go around, just clean it up. Obviously you want to be very gentle if you don't do this to yourself very often, because you can actually hurt your own nail if you don't, if you're not careful. So just go around, clean up all your nails, and make sure that all the cuticles are pushed back and clean. And if you want, you can snip off any extra dead skin that's still hanging around like I did here. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to just file our nails. You want to just mainly focus on the sides of it because you don't want your nail coming through the side showing. So I just kind of barely round it out, but then what I do is I go in on the sides like that and just make sure that they're kind of shaped inwards. The next thing you do is you want to buff up your nails and get the shine off. So take a buffer and just go around to each of one of your nails and buff up the shine off. Alright, so these are the nails I bought. I got them at Sally's for only $1.50, which I was really shocked to buy because that's the cheapest I've ever bought nails for. Usually I pay like $4 to $5 for them at Walmart. This right here comes with the nails. We're not going to use that just because we already have done everything that we need to do with the stuff that I have. But if you don't have nail file, something like that, then you can always use the stuff that comes with the nails. The next thing that you're going to do is obviously you're going to want to find what nails are best form fitting to you. So it kind of takes a minute. You can go around, match them up, just kind of figure out like, okay, this one's too big, this one's too small. You don't want your nails showing on either side, but yet you don't want it to be too big that it's coming on your skin. You want to make sure that it's just fitting right, and usually with nail sets like this, I can usually get 2 sets out of it. Sometimes you have to file them down if they're a little bit too big, but the first set is always perfect. The second fit, you kind of have to like play around with it. But that's another great benefit of these stick-on nails because you can get sometimes usually more than 1 set out of them. So what I'm doing, I'm just matching it up, placing it in order so I don't get confused while I'm doing my nails, and making sure that everything is ordered and ready to go, and just cleaning up the area, making sure all the other nails are put away for the next time I want to use them. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do, I always start with my pinkies first. Grab it, peel it off, and then you're going to firmly press it on. You don't want to just lightly do it. And what you want to do, I know my camera's kind of blurry in this picture, but you just want to kind of like push it deep into your cuticle and press and hold for a few seconds. The longer you hold, the better the grip is going to be. So just kind of be patient with yourself and keep squeezing it and squeezing it. And you're just going to repeat this step for all of your nails. Alright, so now I'm on my last finger. I've got my thumb, and you can kind of see in this image that there's a little bit of like a tab on the ends of each nail. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make sure that this is not, you can't see it. So I just go around and file each nail a little bit. Some of them are a little bit more prevalent than others, so some of them I didn't even do. But the ones that you can definitely see coming off the edge, you want to file those little square thingies down, okay? Let my nails look pretty good, just finishing them off a little bit. Your nails are completely done, but this is an important step. Like I mentioned earlier, my nails are really dry right now because of the acetone. So this is something that I got a few years ago. I use it all the time whenever I'm doing my nails, and it just adds moisture to your cuticles. So I just go on and damp, drop a little bit, like a little dot on each nail, and then you just rub it in. For a minute, I thought that you had to like rub it and then wash it, but no, you don't need to wash it off. You just rub it in there, and even if it's still a little bit oily, it'll just air dry. So you want to do this on both your hands. Make sure everything is being moisturized, and this is what's going to make your nails look nice in the end. Alright, so now that we're done doing our cuticle oil, I have some hand lotion. Any type of hand lotion works. This is just one that I personally have. You just rub it on your fingers, and that's kind of the way that you finish any manicure, is getting that lotion on, making sure your hands are moist and ready to go for the day. So this is the final look. As you can see, I think they're pretty cute. I chose gray. I don't know why. I just like the gray with a couple little diamonds on the middle finger and the ring finger. I tend not to use ones that have glitter. I, for some reason, have realized that the glitter ones, I don't know what it is, but they don't stick as well.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, love it, comment on it, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Have a great day.